Dear students, today I will guide you how to develop a simple Android application for handling user feedback as of test phase 1. First of all, we will learn what the structure of this application is. Let's move to the next slide. As you can see in the slide, this application mainly consists of 3 modules. The Android application module used as interface of the application. The web module for HTTP connection using PHP. The database module using MySQL. Now let's look on how all these modules are created. Here you can see a database named test phase has been created with a table named feedback table to store and retrieve user feedback on demand. You can also see the structure of table. We will store and retrieve values from this table using PHP code. Here is the PHP code for accessing the MySQL database as shown in previous slide. We have a main database file, code file to retrieve user last feedback, and a code file for saving new user feedback. Now let's move forward. Here is the Android Studio, and as you can see, I have developed the main interface for this application. A form to enter the user feedback and to save it into database. This form is to retrieve the user feedback from the database. Now let's take a practical demonstration of the application. Let's start the AVD Manager and run the target emulator device. As you can see, our device is ready to use. Now just run our application. Well, our application is running now, and you can see we have options to add new feedback or view a feedback. You can see we have not any values saved in our table yet. Let's add the new user feedback. Our feedback has been saved into database. Confirm it by refreshing our database. Now let's retrieve the values of feedback from database. You can see the values of user feedback are shown. Thank you very much for watching. Hope it may help you. Please leave a comment or write us.